Hello, once again, this is Dusty Wright with the Wright team, Keller Realty. And today I'm at a brand new double RV garage home. We're just finishing up here. Have to do the video a little premature than usual because the folks that are buying this home are trying to get in it ASAP. And they're still finishing up some landscaping and some touch-ups and stuff on it. But anyway, the home itself is 2,604 square feet on one level, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. It's got the attached 2-car garage, which is over 24 feet deep, and then you've got the double RV bay. The bigger RV bay is a 12-foot wide by a 14-foot tall door, and then it's approximately 49 feet deep. And then the smaller bay is 10 feet wide by 14 feet tall, and it's approximately 28 feet deep. And then there's concrete over on the side, and we'll go in and take a look. All right, coming on in towards the front, you come in, you got the lighting fixture hanging above here. A lot of times people will put a gate on right here, and then you kind of come into your open courtyard area. It's got the stone columns on either side there. A couple windows looking into one of the hallways, and then there's a door here that goes into kind of like a little mini master suite. And then you've got your side lights on either side, then your 8 feet tall front entry door. All right, and then coming on in, you walk into the entryway. It's a little bit taller ceilings in here. And then over here you have your coat closet. And then over in here, it's a nice big open great room area. And you have your big oversized island. It has the mixture of the painted cabinets and the stained kind of white oak looking cabinets. You got the pendant lights above, the nice vented range hood right there, the stainless steel wall oven and microwave, refrigerator. And like I said, there's still some work being done on this one, so my apologies. You come on in here and you have a pantry. And I'll just kind of walk you around the kitchen so you can see. It's the shaker style white cabinet, the drop-in cooktop, the 5-burner. And then you can see here, has the quartz countertops, the composite sink. And then over here you have your entertainment area with the floating shelves on either side. And then your natural gas fireplace. And then over here you have your dining nook. The windows looking out to the side there. And then it's a split floor plan, this one here. So 3 of your bedrooms are down this hallway, and then the master bedroom is over on the other side. We'll head down this way first. And as you come in, you have your thermostat here. You have another little storage linen closet. Those are the windows that look out into the courtyard. And then on the left, you have bedroom number 1. And it has the ceiling fan, the can lights, the lighter carpet, and then into the closet there. You'll notice the doors are the 8 feet tall doors as well. And then coming down this way, you have another full bathroom, and it has the quartz countertops, the white oak stained grade cabinet with the linen cabinet there, the black plumbing fixtures and lighting fixtures, and then your subway tile shower. And then over here is bedroom number 2. And then you come on in, and once again, ceiling fan, and it has the can lights as well. Then you've got your little walk-in closet here. I'll show you inside of that just so you can get an idea. Right there, and there is a light in there, just don't have it turned on. All right, and then there's another thermostat here. And then coming into this bedroom, this is the one that's kind of like the little mini master suite. It has a little bit taller ceilings. It has the can lights, the ceiling fan. It has the barn door, because when you walk into this bathroom here, you've got the vanity top. It's a stained grade kind of a white oak. And then you have your 12 by 24 floor tile. And then you've got your mirror there with the pendants above, or not pendants, the lights. And then into the master, or the mini master shower here, you have your Euro glass door, and it can swing either way. And then you have kind of a subway tile look and the black fixtures. And then a little niche right there. And then over here, you also have a little closet area. And then over there is the door that goes out into the courtyard. All right, and then coming back over here into the great room area, we'll head over towards the master bedroom. So there's your entry door to get your bearings once again. And then off of the great room / mud bench area, there's this half bath right here. It has the stained gray with the quartz countertops, the black fixtures, the toilet. No shower or bath in there, just the half bath. And then coming in here is the master bedroom. And the master bedroom has a little bit of a coffered ceiling. I don't have the lights on, my apologies. A door to the outside, to the backyard. And then over into the master bathroom. You've got the painted white cabinets, the quartz countertops, the black handles and pulls. And then you've got the, I guess kind of more like a glue-on style mirror with the lights above. And those are black. And then over here you have a double master closet. So you have one walk-in closet here, and there's no door here. And they're, like I said, they're still working on it. My apologies. You have the 12 by 24 tile on the floor. That's the walk-in tiled shower. And it's in a 12 by 24, kind of more of a horizontal lay. And then you have the little hexagon miniature tiles on the floor with a little bench right there. And you have the dual shower heads. And then right here is where the freestanding tub goes. And you can tell the plumber is still working on that bad boy. So it's knocked over at the moment. And so the master bathroom has the double vanity, but also over here on this side, you have kind of like a makeup vanity area. And then there's another closet right here. Oh, and then the toilet room's right here behind this door. And there's a window in there. All right, and then coming over here off the master and the powder bath is the mud bench area. You got the lower cabinet there, and then the upper cabinets here. And then that door goes out to the garage. And then you have the barn door here. And then into the laundry room, you have quite a few cabinets and countertop space. Once again, the quartz, and then it's the white painted over here. And then over here, you have some uppers, and then you have your sink there with the black faucet. And then you have your vented range, or your vented recessed dryer vent right there. And then they just did the electric on this one. This home does have natural gas, but they only went, looks like, with the electric on this one. And then there's a nice storage room right off of this laundry room. All right, and then stepping on out into the garage, you've got the LiftMaster MyQ garage door openers. It's an 18-foot wide by 8-foot tall door. This two-car is, 24 plus feet deep, almost, I think it's near 25, 26. And then over here, you've got your water softener and your water heater, and they're actually in. And then you've got your two overhead openers right there for the two garage doors. The larger of the two is 12 feet wide and 14 feet tall, and then 10 feet wide and 14 feet tall. And then this is a door that goes out to the side. And then here's your RV bay. Quite a few outlets on the side, and there's a 220 over there. And then at the back of the RV garage, you have another little storage room area. Not really little, it could be used for a lot of stuff. And then this kind of gives you the look of in the back of the RV garage here. "49 feet deep, and then 28 feet deep, and then 25 plus feet deep." All right, and then coming back in real quick, just to finish up, we'll go out on the back patio. Like I said, they're still working on it, so bear with me with how messy it is back here. It's got the natural gas stub there for a barbecue. It's got the natural gas stub there for a future fire pit. And then you've got your cinder block walls. And yeah, so all in all, this one's 2,600 square feet, roughly 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, 2-car attached with the double RV. And if you have any questions, give me a call, 435-313-1525, or you can find us online at mystghome.com. Once again, this is Dusty Wright with the Wright team. Thanks for watching.